most exciting moment? Yeah, I have to ask.
Well, look, I mean, where do I start? We've had world records, we've had near world records, we had you guys, landing on the top, top of the heap again in sprinting, which is always good to see. It's great to have that kind of competition. And I've watched performances in the field as well. And what is so good about it is we've got more countries that are really, including Jamaica, of course, that are really performing so much better in the field and really showcasing our field events, which is important. There are some in our sport that think it's only about track. I think they've been disabused of that thought here with people like Mondo and Walcott and people like that. It's been an amazing championships.
One final one from me. You speak of Jamaica. For you, tell me about what you think of the impact of Jamaican athletics on global track and field, and the color, the flair that Jamaica brings to the sport globally.
Well, you are one of the powerhouses of track and field, and you have been for many, many years. Your contribution both on the field of play as competitors and amongst the coaches is very high. And I know I spend a lot of time in Jamaica. It matters to Jamaica. And when you have young talent like Oblique coming through, that bodes very, very well for the future.
Alrighty, that's the World Athletics President, Seb Coe, and he also went through the mixed zone, told the BBC as well, spoke about the warm-up track, the distance between that and the main stadium, the Tokyo National Stadium. Of course, the warm-up track from 2021, the Olympics, was dismantled and they removed it and relayed it, placed it at a nearby university for that university and its students to use it. But Seb Coe has said going forward, they will look to ensure that these areas are pretty much up to standard, because he said the athletes' experience is of utmost importance to World Athletics, Bruce.
Yeah, definitely. What he pointed out, and I'm really thrilled to hear that, is that he's acknowledging Jamaica's tremendous contribution to the sport. And whether or not we get, 2 more medals, 3 more medals tomorrow, we are among the top 3 or 4 medal-winning countries. And this is among the 200 countries that are there at the World Championship. So it's really amazing to see that, our, 2.8, 3 million people.
And it's not one-off.
It's been years and years.
Years and years repeating, and it's not the same events. We're spreading ourselves, and it's not just one gender, it's both genders. And we're still finding our way with some of the events. I mean, we're still trying to solve the mixed relay issue. We're still, but we have what it takes. And it's very encouraging to hear him say that we're one of the powerhouse, and we need to operate like that. And it's not just the athletes, but the entire support system for athletes and athletic development in Jamaica need to recognize that we're presiding over a period where we are known as the global powerhouse, and we need to operate like that.
Quite so, Daniel. It's of utmost importance that all stakeholders understand that reality and inculcate that into others.
Yeah, even though we had great performances throughout the championship with world records and near world records, as he puts it, it still doesn't take away from the fact that we need to ensure that we are moving toward best practices, and we still try to have the best conditions for the athletes, long warm-up times, delayed transportation. Those things are, they're unacceptable, and it goes across the board.
Alrighty, we have the Flow Connect coming up, but just before that, let me tell you, there will be another rerun in the 4x400 meters. USA and Kenya will rerun at 8:40 tonight, or this evening, Jamaica time, and they will run for a place in lane 1 in the final. And this says in the heat 1 of the men's 4x400 relay, both the United States and Kenyan teams were seriously impeded by Zambia, resulting in both teams missing the opportunity to qualify for the final. So hence this runoff, David.
Yes, it's interesting, and they opted to do it tomorrow morning as opposed to the same day. And of course, the teams have to field the same 4 athletes that they fielded in the prelims or in the first attempt, and they're running for 1 place in lane 1. That's going to be interesting. We'll be up.
2 hours from now.
Yeah, that's going to be interesting.